Hey guys, to buy USDT on Kraken Pro, you must first create and verify a Kraken account. Then deposit funds via a connected bank or card, right? So if you are, if you bought a USDT and you already have one on the side and you want to buy USDT for your trades, right? And funding your, after you funded your account, navigate to the trade section right here on your screen and select the USDT trading pair. Okay, if you didn't find it, you could just type USD or in USDT. Yeah, right here, USDT, USD. All right, choose your order type, market for instant purchases, you know, after you hit buy or sell. Please be aware that this is not a financial advice, so whatever I do here, do not do the same. Study the market because it's highly volatile. Select the order type, market or limit, and enter the amount. Okay, and confirm the trade. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.